So, good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Acharya Vishwendra. I was just discussing a question based on quadratic equation. So, this was the equation x square minus 3x plus 2. And we were just analyzing various parts related to this equation in which we calculated ABC. And I said that one of the possible values of ABC are this. And the general values are A is equals to lambda, B is equals to minus 3 lambda, and C is equals to 2 lambda. But one of the possible value, for simplicity, we can take this as this value. Then we found the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, which was equal to 1. Then we find alpha, beta, sum of roots, product of roots, alpha minus beta, discriminant is 1, as we have already calculated. Then if discriminant is positive, we know that roots are real and distinct. Then another condition is a is positive, so my y max will tend to infinity as x will tend to infinity, as done in the previous analysis. And y minimum is given by 4ac minus b square by 4a. Substituting the values, we have y minimum as minus half. Now if we analyze the graph, then graph is like this: at x is equals to 0, y is equals to 2, and it has got its maxima and roots as 1 and 2. So the vertex of this parabola will be at the midpoint of 1 and 2, which is at 3 by 2. And we have already calculated y minimum as minus half. So in this way we can plot the graph itself. So the graph here is a parabola. So it will be like this, opening upward towards plus y axis. Now there is another point of concern, that at x tends to infinity, y will also tend to infinity, as you can see in the graph. Similarly, if when x tends to minus infinity, if I open the domain to x belongs to real number, so we can see that the parabola will extend over here. So for x tending to minus infinity also, y will tend to infinity. So in both the cases, y will tend to infinity, as we have covered in the questions over here, that if a is positive, then y max tends to infinity. So the purpose behind this video is to make you study in a problem solving skill based manner. The thing is that in a traditional way, when you study a topic, so generally after the basic concepts are being delivered, then you should study in a format, in a point wise manner, which is easy to retrieve, easy to remember, and you are able to form a pattern out of that. As you have seen here, that I have used the topic name, and I have covered everything right from the very basics in a number of in a point wise manner, starting from the very basic concept, the definition of quadratic equation, to its highest possible application as per class 11th physics is concerned, or the mathematical tools topic is concerned. So this variation from point number 1 to 15, it covers the basic concepts, the basic terms, the applications, the graphs, the maxima minima, and obviously the use of calculus. I have omitted over here, but the results are derived using the result of calculus. So this is the purpose behind making these videos, and it's with the name Optimal Physics, which is just a way to make you train your mind brain system for cracking competitive exams and learning the art of problem solving skill, which is a central concept, central skill needed to excel in your academic life. And not in academic life, nowadays AI will dominate every field of life in a few years. So only those will be able to survive who have skills better than that of others. And the best skill is to design the solution in the least possible time, because you can buy anything but you can't buy the time. And when time is concerned, the fastest will certainly have the best chance to grow. So keeping in mind all these things, the videos are being made so that you can prepare most effectively using minimum possible time and energy. So that's the purpose behind all the videos. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.